What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 best online businesses to start for beginners. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And hopefully this month, I'm going to give away some free money. So it's almost at the end of August, guys. We got like 6 or 7 days away until the end of August. And I want to get that 4,000 subscribers by then. So help me, guys. Help me get there. And 2 people, I'm going to randomly pick 2 people to win some free money. So let's get there, guys. All you have to do is do this. Hit that like button for me. It's going to help me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. And please don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And please follow me on Instagram at appgrind. It's really going to increase your chances of winning this free money if you follow me on Instagram. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get into this right now. One more thing I want to ask you guys for a favor. One more thing. Subscribe to my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. I'm also giving away free money there. It's going to pop up in this video right at the top. Click on that link. It's going to take you to the channel and you subscribe, like all my videos, watch my videos, and help me get 2,000 subscribers there so you can get a chance to win some free money there also. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because all 4 of these online businesses are very, very popular and very, very lucrative as far as making some money online for you beginners out there. So let's go ahead and get into this right about now. Now, number 1 is drop shipping. Now, if you don't know what drop shipping is, it's where you can advertise a product on your website. You don't have to have any inventory or anything. When somebody buys that product, you get it from another place and they're going to ship it to them. So you get it from another place, put their address and everything in there, and they're going to ship the product to them. So you don't have to worry about any inventory or anything. All you have to do is have a website like a store, like a storefront website, and promote your product on there, whatever it is. And once somebody buys something from your website, you just go to the actual manufacturer or another website, buy that item, the same product that you're promoting, and have it shipped to their address. And then you get paid. You got to increase the amount of the cost of the product. So if you get a product that costs $20, if you want to get $5 or $10 or whatever profit, you charge $30 on your website. So that's that's just a short, brief summary of how drop shipping works. You can go on YouTube, there are thousands of videos on drop shipping. You can go on Google and you can find hundreds of thousands of information on drop shipping. And matter of fact, this is a popular website you can go ahead and start immediately, which is called Shopify. Get your website made and start drop shipping. All right, number 2 is affiliate marketing. Now, I'm sure you heard of affiliate marketing, but for you guys that have not heard of affiliate marketing, all it is you promote somebody else's product. And the place that you're going to get this product from to promote is Amazon. Everybody goes to Amazon. So you're going to go to Amazon services. And once you go there, you just sign up, pick a product that you want to promote, and you go on Facebook, Instagram. You can, matter of fact, you can make a website. You can make a website and promote that product on a website. And what you're going to do is get a percentage of the sale or the profit. So now on Amazon, they do I think 10 to 15%. So whatever you sell, whatever that product is, the amount it is, you're going to get 15%, 10 to 15% of the profit from that product once somebody buys it. And Amazon is going to pay you. Matter of fact, you can use eBay too. So they're going to pay you, but you have to get to a certain amount every month. I think it's $50 or maybe $100. I haven't checked it. It's been a while. But go to Amazon services or Amazon affiliate marketing. You can Google that. Takes you to that site and you can start. All right, number 3 is print on demand. Now, what is print on demand? All that is a t-shirt business or any type of items. Because what you're going to be doing is you're going to use a image that you create and you're going to put that on the t-shirt, or you can put that on any item like a mug, a pencil, or whatever. So you put that you put that image on the t-shirt and you just promote the t-shirt and sell it. And you can use websites like Teespring. Teespring, you go there, set everything up, free to start. You get your image made. You can go to places like Fiverr to get your image made if you're not good in designing, and costs $5 on Fiverr. Get that image, put that on a t-shirt on Teespring. You promote your account or store, because it's a store you're going to be creating. You promote that. When somebody buys the t-shirt, you're going to get some profit. Now on Teespring, they t-shirts might be $10 to $15. So you charge $20 to $25, so you can get $10 profit out of that, from that t-shirt, from the sale of that t-shirt or mug or whatever product you're gonna put your image on. So that's how that works. Real simple. All right, the last one is drop services. Now you may not never heard of drop services, but it's very, very simple. Now, drop services is when you are a freelancer. So what a freelancer is, a person that provides services to customers as far as whatever type of skill they have. So let's say you are a designer. You are a graphic designer and you design logos. They go on places like Fiverr, like I said earlier, Fiverr, and they sell their services there for $5 to $10 or more. So if you are not a good graphic designer, you use Fiverr. They charge $5, get a logo made, go on your account. You can set up an account maybe like Upwork, or you can go on Fiverr and set it up. And you sell yours for $10 or $20. And when they request, say, I want this logo done, you get all the information you need to make the logo. And then you find a graphic designer on Fiverr, have them create it. They send you the logo, you send it to your customer. And boom, you can make the extra $5 or $10 profit. So that's how drop services work. All right, guys, that's it. That's all the 4 online businesses that you can start right now as a beginner. So please, before you leave, guys, hit that like button for me and help me to get 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these 4 online businesses. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers, which will be this month. I guarantee it, guys. And share this all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, I got one more thing I want to do. I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. This guy, I'm thinking he's a guy, he watches all my videos and always among the top 5 commenters. So he's on every video and he's always commenting. So I want to give him a shout out. And his name is N.A. Iman. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing your last name right. Thanks again for watching all my videos, dropping comments. I appreciate your support. Keep supporting me. And I'm going to keep bringing this content. All right, guys, that's it. I'm finished. Thank you for tuning in. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Stay safe.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind.